Earning money on Upwork, a leading freelancing platform, requires a strategic approach. Here's a comprehensive guide, broken down into various sections, culminating in a summary. Understanding Upwork. Upwork is a global freelancing platform where businesses and independent professionals connect and collaborate remotely. It offers a range of job categories including writing, programming, design, marketing, and administration. Setting up your profile. Create a compelling profile. Your profile is your virtual resume. Highlight your skills, experience, and accomplishments. Include a professional photo and a detailed description of your services. Choose the right skills and categories. Select skills and job categories that best represent your expertise. This helps you appear in relevant searches by potential clients. Building your reputation. Start small. Initially focus on getting a few jobs and delivering excellent work. This builds your reputation and leads to better opportunities. Gather positive reviews. Client feedback is crucial. Aim for positive reviews by exceeding client expectations. Finding work. Search for jobs. Use Upwork's job search feature to find projects that match your skills. Write winning proposals. Tailor each proposal to the client's needs. Highlight how your skills can solve their problem. Price your work appropriately. Research the market to set competitive rates. Consider starting with lower rates to attract your first few clients. Enhancing your skills. Continuous learning. Stay updated with trends in your field. Upwork offers tests and certifications that can showcase your expertise. Specialize. Consider specializing in a niche. Specialists often command higher rates. Communication and client management. Effective communication. Regularly update your clients about the progress. Be clear and concise in your communications. Understand client needs. Take time to understand the client's expectations and deliver accordingly. Financial management. Understand Upwork's fee structure. Familiarize yourself with Upwork's fee policy. Fees decrease as you earn more with a single client. Set up a payment method. Choose a payment method. Regularly track your earnings and manage invoices through Upwork. Staying safe and compliant. Follow Upwork's terms of service. Adhere to Upwork's rules to avoid account suspension. Protect your information. Be cautious about sharing personal information. Use Upwork's platform for all communications and transactions. Expanding your reach. Build a portfolio. Display your best work in your portfolio. This can attract higher-paying clients. Network. Engage with other freelancers and clients. Networking can lead to referrals and more work. Handling challenges. Deal with difficult clients, communicate effectively, and maintain professionalism. If issues arise, use Upwork's dispute resolution system. Time management. Juggle multiple projects efficiently. Use tools for time tracking and project management. Scaling up. Hire or collaborate. As you grow, consider hiring other freelancers to handle increased workload. Set long-term goals. Plan for your growth on Upwork. Set goals for earnings, client types, and work-life balance. Earning money on Upwork involves creating a compelling profile, delivering quality work, managing client relationships effectively, and continuously improving your skills. Building a strong reputation through positive reviews and a solid portfolio is key. Understanding Upwork's mechanisms, from job searching to fee structures, ensures a smooth freelancing journey. Challenges like dealing with difficult clients and time management are part of the process, but with effective strategies they can be overcome. Ultimately, success on Upwork is about commitment, adaptability, and constant growth. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.